Okay, so here is the before. Today I'm going to be installing the Hyline Off-Road side steps. And they're body armor and side steps. Let me just slide it on there. It's not going to fully settle in until I pull some body mounts out. But I'm just going to lay it kind of in place so you can see a little bit of what we're doing. And it'll end up a little something like that. Unfortunately, I need to pull body mount bolts out and lift the body because it actually assembles to both that and then drilling through these holes into the body and mounting there as well. So I've got a little bit of work here to do. So that's it. I'll show you the before and I'll show you the after again. And that was just under an hour for this side. Did that myself with just a floor jack and some hand tools and a drill. So don't be too terrified. I was a little bit beforehand, mostly because I know on the passenger side I have one body mount bolt that never quite lines up right. And that's partially because I've replaced the torque boxes when this tub was sitting up on its side and the frame was out in the driveway. So it might not have gotten perfectly positioned. But that was just under an hour on this side. The other side took me like 2 days. I would fight with it for a while and then quit, and then fight with it for a little while and then quit, and figured out some of the things I needed to do over there. Like I needed to shave a little bit off the back side of this for the fender, because that fender right there, I've got these aftermarket fender flares, and that was in the way. So I had to shave a little off. I was able to do this one in advance, so that took a little bit more time. But otherwise, all I've got left is torque stuff down. Now the body bolts are 30 to 35 foot-pounds of torque. And then I'm going to, well, sadly, I have to put the doors and the top back on because we're expecting a whole lot of rain over the next few days. Gotta say, these Hyline Off-Road steps, they're beautiful, man. I have been so looking forward to getting something like this. And it took me a while to decide what brand I wanted to go with, what style I wanted to go with. These ones really took the cake. I don't remember where exactly they're made, but I'm 95% sure they are USA made. I will comment that above. Just like that. They are... Man, they look great. I don't even know what to say about them other than they're sturdy. I mean, Jen and I were jumping on the other side the other day. It's all good. Everything's solid. See you guys on the other side. Now, there is another project I have coming up, and it might be a long-term one. I had originally planned to put a toolbox in the back, a custom-build lockable toolbox in the back. But now I think we're going with a low-back CJC. So we'll have to fabricate some high-quality mounts for that.